Welcome back. Today we are diving into something super exciting, our very own smart banking assistant, Gaia, built during the agentic AI autonomous agents Buildathon. So our team is our smart assistant for banking FAQs and quick support services. Myself Tarunika from Team Solvio and my other teammates who took part in this Buildathon are Kritika and Ashmi. So let's jump into the first club. Challenge. We started with a simple question: why do customers still struggle with banking support? Well, many users face delays, confusion, and missed appointments because finding the right information in the banking app isn't always easy. This led to frustration and honestly a lot of unnecessary stress. So let's see the core problem, the real issue. People can't always get quick, accurate answers to common questions about accounts, cards, or branch details. Without clear guidance, they end up needing to explain their problems. The most second important thing is the impact. For customers, this means lower satisfaction and more confusion. For bank staffs, it's a flood of calls and visits about things that could have been solved instantly with the right self-service tool. The opportunity. That's where Gaia comes in. Our AI-powered assistant answers FAQs, validates queries and guides users to the right place in the banking app. And if the question is too complex, Gaia hands it over like a human agent. So meet Inia.ai. We'll build this Gaia on Inia.ai, a no-code platform that lets you create AI agents for goal-based conversations. Perfect for our banking user case, where Gaia can even help to schedule appointments and redirect users within the app. So our core design principles. We follow five golden rules. The number one is security first. Never ask for sensitive info like pigs. Next, simplicity. To keep interactions clear and very down. Smart routing. Send users exactly where they need to go. Error handling. Always provide helpful fallbacks. And the last but not least is consistency. Build trust with uniform style. So how do we build this Gaia using Inia.ai? So let's see the workflow. In Inia.ai, we first created the agent and set its personality, wrote the core prompts, and added support topics and FAQs, and finally linked each query to deep links inside the banking app. How Gaia handles the queries? Here's the flow. First of all, it briefs the users and let them choose a category, accounts like cards, loans, or even FAQs, validate the query against our knowledge base, redirects with links. Like if the user needs any support, then it can be directed with link, for example, support slash account opening. So if it's not clear, it's unclear, then politely you can ask again. Then complex queries go straight to a human agent. Testing and deployment. We tested Gaia with a variety of inputs to make sure it works for both simple and tricky questions. Once ready, we deployed it on website widgets, mobile apps, and API integrations. Meet Gaia, and that's it. Here's our model. Gaia, our smart banking assistant, ready to make customers support faster, smoother, and more reliable. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech innovations and drop a comment if you have any questions. This is Team Solvio, Karunika, Kritika, and Ashmita signing off. See you in the next one.